In this video, I'll be going over dividing unit fractions by whole numbers. Here is an example. 1/3 divided by 6. Whenever we have fractions in the division, we want to use the rule keep, switch, and flip. And how do we do that? Well, we'll first convert the 6 to a fraction. So the 1/3 is already a fraction, so we can leave that as it is. Now 6 would be equivalent to 6/1. When converting a whole number to a fraction, simply adding the 1 in the denominator will not change the value of the whole number. So now we have 1/3 divided by 6/1. The keep, we would keep fraction, which is 1/3. We would switch the division for multiplication. So this one we will switch. And then lastly, we'll flip the second fraction by the denominator going to the numerator and numerator going to the denominator. And so if we rewrite, it will look something like this. 1/3 times 1/6. Now we just need to cross multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 6 is 18. So our answer is 1/18. Now to visualize this, we have a cardboard. And 1/3 of this cardboard we need to divide into 6 sections. So the 1/3 is illustrated here. And the 6 means that we need to divide it in 6 sections. What is the fraction of the 1 unit divided here? Now if we complete and divide them all into equal pieces of 6, since this is 1/3, this will be 2/3 and this will be a whole. And so you can see that if we were to divide them all exactly the same as this, we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's 6 here, that's 6 here, that's 6 here. So 6 times 3 means that there's total of 18 units divided. And this 1 unit is 1/18. So as you can see, that is the same answer as we've gotten previously when we use keep, switch, and flip. Now let's try this one. 1/6 divided by 4. Okay. Using the keep, switch, flip method, we would keep this, we would switch this, and we would flip this. So we would keep the 1/6, change the division to multiplication, and to flip 4, this is 4/1, and if we were to flip, it means it'll become 1/4. So then we would cross multiply. 6 times 4, 24. And that would be the answer. And now we are going to move on to the quiz problem. And the problem is 1/5 divided by 3. Now feel free to pause the video as you work on this, and I will be back in about 10 seconds to reveal the answer. Okay, I'm back now. Hopefully, you've used the method of keep, switch, and flip and kept 1/5, switch division to multiplication, and converted 3, which is 3/1, and that becomes 1/3. Then you cross multiply and got the answer 1/15. If you got 1/15, then you've mastered this lesson. I also have a video on why do we use keep, switch, and flip when we divide fractions. And I've gotten this question quite often about why we do so, and this video will help you understand why that is. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.